Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, today we are continuing making toilet cleaning balms. That's right, toilet cleaning balms. But before we get started, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on now, let's get into this video. Happy Monday, happy Monday. Okay, what we have in here is 1.5 cups of baking soda. This is our citric acid. We need 1/2 cup of citric acid. There you go. 1/2 cup citric acid goes in. It's as simple as that. 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Once again, don't worry about it. I have it listed below in your description. You don't have to write it down. 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. You can get rid of some of your clumps and lumps if you like. They're toilet balms. It's not that serious. Going into your toilet so it can deodorize and help you clean your toilet. It brings your chores down just a little less. And when you want to freshen up your toilet bowl, before or after, need I say any more? It's up to you. Baking soda helps with the odors. It helps to break down the stains along with the citric acid. Excellent. All right, so let's just put it in. This is our hydrogen peroxide. See how it fizzled right up. You can put it in slow so you don't have too much of that action going. There you go. All right. Here, I have sweet orange oil. I have 30 drops of sweet orange essential oil. And boy, do that smell nice. And that's basically it. It's very simple. And guess what? I don't have my mold. So let me stop real quick and run and get the mold. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the mold. We good to go. All right, everything is in. Our essential oil is in. And now we bring our silicone mold. I'm going to use the mini brownie mold. This one here. And all we have to do is, let me switch. There we go. You know what I do. Place some on top. Like so, and just put it in. Just press it in to the cavity of the little brownie mini molds. There we go. They smell really nice. It's a nice little light orange smell. I like that. And all you do is just press it down. There you go. Yeah, it's messy, but it's okay. You can wash your hands. Not that serious. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is be brave, bold, and fearless. Let me say that again. The quote of today is be brave, bold, and fearless. I like that. All right. Get it in there. Get it in there. Have you ever tried a toilet cleaning balm before? Have you ever made them? Try them out. You just might like them. I like them. I really do. I really do. There we go. Yep, just take your time and just fill it up and keep pressing down. You want them in there nice and packed and tight. And then we are going to let them dry out in this silicone mold for 24 hours. No big rush. And then we'll unmold them and place them in our containers, jars, bags, whatever how you would like to place them. Should be something airtight. But like I said, it's not that serious. They're toilet bombs. They're going into your toilet. Please do not add any colorant to this. You don't need any colorant to stain your toilet bowl. Please. Keep them just as natural as possible. Okay? And I'm just going over and making sure that they all fill to the capacity. Nice and tight and firmed in. That's all we doing. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great. Very simple. Something different, you know, for 2021. Try them out. I'm gonna get packaging right and I'll start selling them in my Etsy shop. Did you know I have an Etsy shop? Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off the hand. Go check out my Etsy shop if you haven't checked out my Etsy shop. See all my skincare treats that I have in there. A lot of them have been made here on YouTube, along with my YouTube family, right? We have made a lot of things. There we go. And if you have any extra, you just put it in another mold. That's all. It's as simple as that. It's not that hard. Which it looks like I'm going to have to do that. Go get another mold. But I'm trying to pack them in. There you go. So I have nice thick bars, you know, to plop in the toilet. There you go. Yep, and that's all you do. It's just pressing down, pressing down, pressing down. You have nail polish on, messing with citric acid and baking soda. You might want to wear your gloves, because this will take your nail polish off. But I don't have any on because these are mine. They are mine. They're for me. I'm not selling these. They're for me and my household. So I'm using my hands. I'm using my hands. I'm using my hands. So what's going on? What's going on? Tell me what's going on. What is going on? Well, we into our toilet cleaning bombs, right? This will probably be the last one. We don't need too many of these. We'll do a molding, packaging, and call it a day and go on. I believe we're going on to bath bombs, guys. For me, stop procrastinating and go with bath bombs. Did you make your comment in the last video? The video before? I think, or 2 videos back that I asked you to comment? Should I go ahead on and do bath bombs for number 1, vote, or go into making some more healing salves? I think that was for number 2. 1 for bath bombs, 2 for healing salves. All right, so I didn't need an extra one. That's what I was trying to prevent anyway. I'd rather have it all here. Less cleanup for me. All right, well, let me clean up, and then I'll bring you right back, okay? So you see what I'm doing is just pressing it down. It's not that hard. Quote of today again was, what was the quote of today? Be brave, bold, and fearless. I like that. Be brave, bold, and fearless. You got it going on. Definitely got it going on. Woo! Think we're done? Absolutely. All right, I'll bring you right back. Let me clean up. So here we are. We're done. Sweet orange, toilet cleaning bombs. Y'all have a wonderful day. Love you much. Mwah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.